Go ahead, Skip. I gotta get myself together.
Manny. I know. Thank you. Two. So Manny, Freddie Roach says the
Oh my Lord! I cannot believe
truth.
Skip Bayless, last question.
You've been.
You know, I tell you this. The Lord my God that I'm serving, He will deliver him into my hands on May 2.
Well, okay, Floyd. I mean, Manny, last question about Floyd. Report from his camp was that he dropped a sparring partner with a shot to the body. What's your reaction to that?
I love that.